Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 20 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to do that. We can do it by using the settings, and it is a longer way, kind of, and the second way by using a secret code. And let me start, for example, with a secret code. Let's open the dialer, and the code is *#06#. And after scrolling down a little bit, we can see that we are provided with the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK. And let me show you the way by using the settings. So let's tap on the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And in order to check the serial number, because you will not be able to find it here, you have to enter the model. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check the serial number in your ZTE Axon 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.